Hello, I'm Michael Minch, President of the Tennessee Medical Association, and I'm here to talk with you briefly about this historic year for the TMA and our work on behalf of Tennessee physicians and patients. Let's start with tort reform. Since the 1970s, we've been striving to reform our medical liability laws. In 2008, our efforts put into place laws to require pre-certification for lawsuits in medical cases. This alone cut the number of claims in half and was a major factor in significant reductions in our insurance premiums. This year, we were able to put the cherry on top, so to speak, with passage of comprehensive tort reform that includes caps on non-economic damages. We told you we would not give up until we reached this goal, and we didn't. As the former chair of TMA's medical liability reform efforts, I'm personally thrilled with this accomplishment. Finally, doctors in Tennessee have some predictability and some protection from jackpot jury awards that only raise the cost of health care for everyone. We believe this new tort law will allow us to attract more doctors to Tennessee, make care more available for our patients, and help us see a continued downward trend in insurance rates. Now let me briefly touch on some other big issues in our win column this year. The TMA continues its efforts to reduce the abuse of prescription drugs. We all know that chronic pain is real and it needs to be treated, but we have continued to hear from members and legislators alike pleading for us to do something about pill mills. Patients deserve the best care in the safest environment, so we want to work with various healthcare groups to craft a bill to bring pain clinics under tight state regulation, and that is now law. Another victory is our title transparency bill. Members told us that something needed to be done to properly identify healthcare providers. With so many white coats out there, patients find it hard to tell a physician from a nurse practitioner or a physician assistant. This law will help patients know exactly who is treating them. Those are just 3 victories this year for TMA. We also restored necessary peer review protections. We extended the deadline for signing verbal orders, and we defeated prescribing privileges for psychologists once again. For more details on our legislative successes, visit the TMA homepage at www.tenmed, that's TNMED.org. Thanks so much for your time. I'm Mike Minch.